Lashing out against the government for failing to keep the kitchen market steady during Ramjan, BNP Secretary General Khandukar Delwar Hussain declared a countrywide procession and protest rally. Addressing a news conference held at the BNP central office at Noyapolton on Tuesday, Hussain said that protest rally would be organized in all the divisional headquarters on September 6 and at all the district headquarters on September 7.
Low income group লোক তারা সমাজে এই দ্রব্যমূল্য সবচেয়ে বেশি এফেক্ট করে তারা আশ্বাস দিয়েছে সারা জাতিকে যে তারা রমজান মাসে অবশ্যই দ্রব্যমূল্য নিয়ন্ত্রণ। আজকে রমজানের 3 দিন, এই 3 দিনের মধ্যে দ্রব্যমূল্য যা ছিল তার থেকে বেড়ে গেছে।
Hussain also alleged that worsening law and order, tender manipulation by ruling party cadres, and killings were becoming a daily affair. He said that the BNP was a people's party and that the rally was being organized to highlight the failures of the government. GM Mustafizul Alam reporting for News and Images from Dhaka.